Strong GPS signal and flight distance within 50 meters are required to enter GPS follow mode. In orbit mode, use the right joystick to adjust radius, speed, and direction. Plan and start the route rules, and the drone will follow it. When flying above 15 meters, move the joystick, then press the cruise control button to activate auto cruise mode. The drone can update the return point after finding the GPS. You can drag the map to select a new return point. Or you can set the drone's current location or the remote controller's location as the new return point. Tap Update to confirm the new return point.